Okay, YouTubers, this is Old John. Today I'm going to show you how to use my new tool I got to help me with my woodworking. It's made by Kreg, and it's a jig, and it's for doing pocket holes. And this is the manual. This is the jig. This is for clamping it down. The clamp, there's two holes, so you can do two holes side by side if you want, or one at a time, however you want to do it. But this is the bit. Oh, this is considered a 3/4 inch jig. You can do larger. This is going to be mounted over the edge of the wood. Here's one I've already done. I put a 1x2 and a 1x3 pieces of oak trim together using this jig. And the first process is putting this over the edge. In this case, it was the board. And then inserting this bit into it after it's clamped down, and then drilling a hole on an angle, and then you come back with a 1 1/4 inch special screw which has a square slot in the head to screw them together. So I'm going to show you how to do that. There again, this is the finished product. Makes a nice tight edge. You can use glue on this also to make it even stronger. You adjust the size you're going to use by adjusting these slides on the side, which you push in to slide it, and then you line up the mark of the thickness of the wood you're using here with these arrows. I'm using 3/4, so I've got it on the 3/4 mark. This is how it's set up to do where you can grip over the edge and the pieces haven't been put together. If they've been put together, then you don't have an overlap here, and this is going to butt up even, so you have to take these off and reverse them, and I'll show you that later. But first we want to clamp down our board we're going to drill into. Using some standard clamps. I just like to line it up on the edge of my workstation here. Clamp down like that. Then for the first one, we made marks here. You don't want to go any more than 6 inches for your screws to make sure it's good and supported. So then this we put over the jig itself to hold it secure. Like so. Using my cordless drill here, and you want it set on your highest speed, and then it's a matter of putting it in all the way in and then backing it out about a 1/16 of an inch, and then turning on the drill, drilling in maybe quarter to half an inch, pulling it back out so the sawdust collection can come out and keep from restricting you on doing further drilling. So let's give it a try. Okay. Take it off, see what it looks like. And there it is. Need to clean it up. So I'll continue to do the other ones. Okay, now we'll put the pieces together. So we want to take the piece we're going to screw into and secure it with clamps. Then we change our bit out for the special screw bit that has a square head on it to fit into these. I'm using 1 1/4 inch screws. There we go. And here we have it. Nice tight joint. This is going to be a side piece to slide out drawers for a media center I'm doing. So that's how you use the Kreg Jig to make holes for pocket screws. It's a nice tool. Nice joining of the hardwoods.